We actually looked around. We went to all the big box stores. We went to a few bespoke shed builders. We looked at the quality of their work and we compared the specification, and we felt Shed Village was a really good value for money. We're very pleased with the way it turned out. Their service was really good. We visited their showroom and within half an hour we had detailed what we wanted, got the price, signed the deal, and then the shed came. And it's met all our expectations. Vic phoned while he was making it, kept in touch with us, gave us some guidance on the foundations. His installation guy was really super. You know, we had a question that needed to be addressed and they came back the next day. You know, Vic phoned up the day after the install to see we were happy. So they kept in touch with us and, you know, did a professional job on it. Everybody comments about how nice it looks. It's practical. We can get everything in that we want as well. This is a 12 by 8 shed in cedar and with the shingles. It's got a pedestrian door on the front and it's got a door on the side for our ride-on lawnmower to drive in. And it comes complete with all the nice things, little shutters on it, the flower boxes, all the things that help to make it a little bit more decorative rather than just a functional box stuck in the corner. The thing we appreciate most about our dealing with Shed Village was the quality of the workmanship that we ended up with. You know, you can get a good price, but if you don't get the workmanship that you want, then that's not any good. So we got the whole package, good customer service, good product, and something that we're happy with.